Let's talk about solids. Solids are that state of matter that has definite shape, definite volume, and not compressible. Let's look at overview of the characteristics of solids. Solids, as I mentioned, have its particles closely packed together, held by strong cohesive forces, and the particles, although have kinetic energy as the kinetic theory postulates, but they can only exhibit vibrational movement alone. They do not translate, neither they translate, but they vibrate but do not translate. Examples of common solids we have are graphite, diamonds, and some solids exist in two major phases. We have the crystalline solids and the amorphous solids. Crystal lattice. Most solids, especially those that are formed from ionic combination, exist in crystal lattices. Some covalent solids also exist in crystal lattices like diamond and graphite. Also, we have the amorphous solids. They do not have any distinct layer or region of conformation. Example of an amorphous solid is soot that is formed at the top of a kerosene or oil lamp. We also have powdered solids. Those solids are said to be amorphous.